Hey, it's Dakota-Raé and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my bathroom makeover, transformation thing, whatever you want to call it. I love these videos here on YouTube. I hate the actual act of decorating, but I love seeing the transformation from before and after, and love this kind of journey that I'm going on with me and my partner's home. So I thought I'd share it with you guys, but also so I can look back in the future and kind of see what we started with and worked our way to. So just to preface, our home is quite eclectic. I don't think there's like one theme that runs throughout, and my sort of vision is very different for each room, and I want to have like every room to have a specific colour theme. So there's a few rooms that I've already done that I didn't actually do any filming for, which I'm devastated and I wish I did. But I will do some room tours on some of the rooms that we have completed in the future if you want to see that. But for this video, it is the small bathrooms. We have two bathrooms in our property. The one that we have decorated is the one that kind of all of our guests use, our friends and family, and it was looking sad. So the previous owners of the property had painted it like a really sad, sick colour pink. Which really wasn't a vibe that I was going for, and it really made the place feel really sad and dirty. So I was kind of ashamed when our friends and family would have to use it. But yeah, so it was kind of like a mini transformation, something that I wanted to do to just give it a little bit of colour, to make it feel a little bit cleaner and more presentable. And it's just kind of a temporary fix to when we can afford to do like a full refit bathroom. I want to say that this is a really quick and cheap makeover that we did. It's not perfect. Everything was done really on budget, and I just wanted to share it with you guys so that maybe it could sort of inspire you guys at home if you are decorating, to show that you can do quite a large transformation on a small budget. So a lot of the things that we used for this transformation we already had. So we used a Wilkinson's paint for the walls. We previously were going to do one of the living rooms in that colour, but it was not the right shade for that vibe, so that kind of inspired me to paint the bathroom in that colour because we already had the paint, and I think it would have worked. It worked really well in the bathroom because of the vibe. It kind of give that kind of like clean, fresh feeling in the bathroom, which I think worked really well. We also had some sort of like bath mats and stuff that the previous owners had left behind. They kind of matched that theme, so that was kind of the inspiration for this project and why I went with the sort of like green neutrals kind of theme, and I think it worked really well. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into the video. You're going to see a lot of time lapses of us doing this project, and I think we did it over maybe like a week, 2 weeks. Most of it was kind of waiting for the paint to dry, but overall it was quite a quick transformation, and I think it looks okay. It definitely looks a lot better than it was, but on with the video. So this is the bathroom before the makeover, pretty much in the same state as we bought it. Even the shower curtain's still the same, but it's looking real sad and dirty and needed a facelift. As you can see here, the paper and the tiles were already fallen off. There was actually a huge gap between those tiles, so they weren't even like on the wall, which was kind of scary. Those thin little grey tiles, the strip there, they needed to go because half of them were missing, and honestly it did not look so cute. So really just wanted to give it a little freshen up, make it look cleaner and more inviting. As you can see here, we just started taking off the lining paper that had been painted over. There was loads of holes in the wall, they just polyfilled over them. Don't know why, that was a thing. And most of the paper came off really well actually, so that was good. The tiles came off so easy, must have took us about 5-10 minutes. Really glad, because I was really worried that it was going to be really hard to do. Just went in with a little bit of damp seal here on this patch. I don't think it was necessarily damp, or it could have maybe just been, you know, damp in the making. I don't know, I just wanted to be extra precautious and seal that to kind of prep the walls for painting. The paint itself was actually pretty good. It was quite thin consistency, so it went on pretty well and only needed one coat. Next was the white paint. It was actually the wrong paint. Thank you, Adam, for just getting the wrong paint. This one's actually supposed to be for wood and metal. And honestly, it took me 2 coats of painting the walls with this before I realised. Had a quick Google and they were like, it's fine, just cover it with emulsion, so that's what we ended up doing. But thanks, Adam, thanks for that. Next we went in with tape just to give us those clean edges for painting over, although it didn't really matter because the previous owners just slapped the paint on. Thank you! So this is the paint that we already had. It's this really nice pastel green colour from Wilkos. We originally were going to paint the living room this colour, but in the end it didn't really look right, so we ended up changing it and kept this tin, which was pretty much full, to do the bathroom. I got the inspiration to use this colour because the bath mats and the pedestal mats that the previous owners had left us kind of fit the same colour, and just thought, let's just make some use out of this paint instead of it going to waste. And I think it actually looks quite nice. I think it goes quite well with the grey bath and toilet that we have, and it only took about 3 coats to give it full colour, so I think that was really good. And yeah, I just think it makes it look really nice and clean in the bathroom now. Next I got Adam to do the glossing because I hate glossing and he seems to do a really good job of it. As you can see, there's like a little bluey kind of tinge there. That is where I went over with painter's, is it painter's chalk? Painter's caulk? I don't know. That thing that looks like silicone seal but isn't. So after you finish painting, I went round and redid all that so it looked a little bit more cleaner. I then actually asked Adam to paint these lights in a gold colour, which he used Warhammer paint, so thank you, Adam. They look so much better now. I don't know why I use this stuff. I actually hate this stuff, but I wanted to use this on the windows and the door to the bathroom, because the door to the bathroom has a huge window in it. Don't know why, but that's a big thing, so I don't actually show you here, but I actually use this same stuff for the window and the door to the bathroom. And it's actually really good stuff. Kind of has like a frosted tone to it, so you can't really see in it. The window is actually already treated, as you can see here, but I wanted that extra little bit of privacy. Not that my neighbours care to look at me through my windows, but hey ho. This stuff, I honestly, is such a pain. It looks so easy in this clip, but it must have took me about 2 hours to get all the air bubbles out because I'm just not very good at this. So here's some cheap little bits and bobs that I got from the bathroom, just some space savers, and a new shower curtain because although that duck one was cute, it was mouldy! Yay! Love that. So let's just enjoy this really boring time lapse of me applying shower curtain like y'all don't know how to. Woo! Love that. I want to say, this product, don't buy it, it's trash. Within a week it was already rusty, and I don't know if I'm just stupid and it's not supposed to go in the bathroom, but I mean, where else are you going to put your shower stuff? So don't buy this. This shelf I love. The one that we originally wanted was maybe like £24 from Home Bargains, but unfortunately it was out of stock. We tried 2 different stores, they didn't have it, so instead of prolonging this transformation anymore, we just decided to go with this one, which was £45. I love it. It's not the colours that I wanted, but it's fine. The other one would have looked better, but you know, I didn't want to keep checking in the stores, so we just went with this one, and I really like it. We were going to paint it, but I thought I'd rather just leave it this colour in case we use it in any other room because, like I said, this transformation is just temporary until we can afford to do like a full refurb. So nonetheless, really love it, and for £45 I think that is still a bargain for this shelf because I've seen them go for so much more on Amazon. And honestly, it really wasn't all that hard to put together. It maybe took us 20 minutes. So yeah, love that. Here's a really ugly clip of me showing you all my crap and bleach bottles. Honestly, I really just wanted some hanging planters, but I couldn't screw them into the ceiling because the ceiling would just crumble. Yay, love that. So I got this really cheap tension rod off eBay. I will leave the link down below if I can find it. I think the 2 planters in the middle I got from Poundland and Home Bargains, and the one on the left and the right I made myself out of some old rope that I got from eBay years ago. But look how cute it looks. Oh, and I used some old jars, painted them up, and put my little spider plants in. But isn't it cute? I love it. And here's me just finding a place to hoard all my other spider plants because Adam just keeps letting them multiply. So these are some really cheap frames that I got from Poundstretcher. I think they were maybe like £2 or £3 each. And I used some old wallpaper that I'm using in another project. I had lots left over, so I was like, oh my god, this looks perfect. It will go perfectly with the bathroom. So I just decided to put them in some cheap little frames. And honestly, they look so cute. I'm really happy with them. I was really tempted because there's 3 frames to go in and like write something in calligraphy on the middle one. Something witty, like, I don't know, don't piss on the sea, or do Eric from Sex Education's quote where he says, wash your hands, you dirty pig. Thought that'd be funny, but in the end, I don't know, I guess I was just really lazy and just decided not to do it. But now thinking about it, that's actually quite a funny idea. I might go back and do it. So yeah. Like, how good do they look? They like fit perfectly. Love that. And also the frames match the shelves as well. And this cute little macrame hanger that I got from Home Bargains. These are the bath mats that were here previously. They look really cute. I actually already had this bin, but I bought the toilet roll holder to match, and here's just an old black towel that I had lying around. And this is the finished look. How cute. I did actually change the soap dispenser to like a nice white ceramic one, but I forgot to film it. But yeah, what do you guys think? Just a cute little transformation. I think it looks so much better. So fresh. Love that. Wow, girl, look at these little shots. So cinematic. Love that. So this is the before. Wow, so sad and pink. Look at those ducks though. And look at this. Wow, so fresh, so fun. So clean. I feel so clean in this bathroom. Look how sad. Look how sad it looks. Like, I wouldn't feel happy pooping here. But look, I would totally feel happy no, not this room. Definitely not. Look at that wallpaper. Ew. No thanks. Yep, I would definitely poop here. Very happy. 10 out of 10. There you have it. Woo! Let me know what you think. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it brought you some inspiration to show you how you can do quite a transformation on such a small budget. I think everything all in all came to about £99, but obviously we had a couple of items of our own, so we used paintbrushes we already had, the paint we already had. So I think if you were to buy this all brand new, it probably cost you about £120, which is still really, really affordable. So if you want to see more content on sort of what we do with our home, I will leave the Instagram handle down below, not just a bunch of bricks. I am trying to post more on there. Honestly, it's slow progress when it comes to decorating, so I don't want to bombard with loads of boring images if I painted the wall today. You get what I mean? So, but other than that, if you want to see more of these, I'd be really happy to do more of these. I really love watching transformation videos on here on YouTube. I do want to do some room tours of some rooms that we've already completed. So if you want to see that, please comment down below and let me know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, let me know. And subscribe if you want to see more from me. And until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye!